Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is if if during circular motion tangential velocity of a body becomes double, then centrifugal force becomes a double, B one half, C four times, and D one fourth. So the correct option is C, four times. The next MCQs is under what condition an object will have zero displacement but non-zero distance? A. Linear motion. B. Circular motion. C. Random motion. And D. Oscillation. So the correct option is B. Circular motion. The next MCQs is which one of the following properties is not exhibited by the longitudinal wave? A. Interference. B. Reflection. C. Diffraction. And D. Polarization. So the correct option is D. Polarization. The next MCQs is the speed of sound in the air is 332 meters second. The speed of sound at 322 will be A. 345.2 meter per second, B 340 meter per second, C 350 meter per second, D 330 meter per second. So the correct option is A. The next MCQs is astronomers calculate speed of distant stars and galaxies using which of the following phenomena? A. Beats. B. Interference. C. Superposition principle. And D. Doppler effect. So the correct option is D. Doppler effect. The next MCQ is in a ripple tank, 40 waves pass through a certain points in 1 second. And if the wavelength of the wave is 5 centimeter, then speed of the wave is A 0.1 meter per second, B 1 meter per second, C 1.5, and D 2. So the correct option is D 2. The next MCQ is in which process the entire of heat supplied to the gas is converted to the internal energy of the gas? A. Isochoric process. B. Isobaric process. C. Isothermal process. And D. Adiabatic process. So the correct option is A. Isochoric process. The next MCQ is the internal energy of a system during an isothermal process is A. Degrees, B. Increases, C. Become zero, and D. Remain constant. So the correct option is D. Remain constant. The next MCQ is if the potential at a point which is 1 meter from a charge is 1 volt, then the potential at a point which is 2 meter from the same charge will be A 2 volt, B 1 volt, C 0.5 volt, and D 3 volt. So the correct option is C 0.5 volt. The next MCQ is the value of electric intensity will dash due to the presence of dielectric medium. A. Increases. B. Increase exponentially. B. C. Decrease. And D. Remain same. So the correct option is C. Decrease. The next MCQ is the slope of distance dash time graph will always be A negative, B positive, C 0, and D maximum. So the correct option is B positive. The next MCQ is at what angle of projection of a projectile the range becomes half of its maximum value? A 15, B 20, C 30, and D 40. So the correct option is A 15. The next MCQ is if we drop an object its initially velocity is zero, how far will it fall in time? A 9.8, B 9.9, C 0.49, and D 9.98. So the correct option is C 0.49. The next MCQ is the Newton's second law. The Newton's second is The Newton second is unit of A power B A. Work. B. Power. C. Impulse. D. Momentum. So the correct option is C. Impulse. The next MCQ is 1.75 meter height weight liter rises weight lifter rises weights with a mass of 50 kg to a height of 0.5 meter above his head. How much work is being done by him? A. 2125 joule. B. 2500 joule. C. 100 joule. And D. 50 joule. So the correct option is 250 and the answer is not available, so the correct answer is 250. Okay, the next MCQ is what is the speed of 2.0 kg metallic bomb at the main position of a simple pendulum when released from its extreme position 0.5 meter height? A. 3.616, B. 10, C. 100 and D. 50. So the correct option is A. 3.16. The next MCQ is when the speed of your car is halved, by what factor does its kinetic energy decreases? A. 1 over 2, B. 1 over 4, C. 1 over 8 and D. 1 over 6. So the correct option is B. 1 over 4. The next MCQ is which one of the following force is non-conservative force? A. Frictional force. B. Gravitational force. C. Electric force. And D. Elastic spring force. So the correct option is A. Frictional force. The next MCQ is the Earth rotates on its axis once a day. Suppose by some process the Earth contracts so that its radius is only one half as large as present. Then along the Earth will take to complete its rotation? A. 24 hours. B. 18 hours. C. 6 hours. And D. 12 hours. So the correct option is C. 6 hours. One radian is equal to C 57 3. The next MCQ is in translation from Great Station power losses are minimized by A. Increasing current, C. B. Decreasing current, C. Increasing resistance and D. Increasing voltage. So the correct option is D. Increasing voltage. The next MCQ is the domestic electricity supply has a frequency of A 150 Hz, C B 100 Hz, C 50 Hz, and D 25 Hz. So the correct option is D 25 Hz. The next MCQ is PIV stand for A. Positive inverse voltage, B. Power integrated voltage, C. Peak inverse voltage, and D. Peak integrated voltage. So the correct option is C. Peak inverse voltage. The next MCQ is in full wave rectification. The diodes are used A 1, B 2, C 3, and D 4. So the correct option is B 2. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.